Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
The question is, construct triangle DEF such that DE is 5 centimeters and DF is 3 centimeters and angle EDF is 90 degrees. So first of all, we have to draw a rough sketch. So we need DE to be 5 centimeters. Let's say here is DE. This is 5 centimeters. And then we need angle EDF to be 90 degrees. So it means this angle here has to be 90 degrees and here is vertex F. This is 90 degrees. And DF has to be 3 centimeters. So this is 3 centimeters. So now this is the rough sketch of the triangle DEF. Now we have to construct the triangle DEF actually. So what we can do, how we have to start now? First of all, we need DE to be 5 centimeters. So this time we are not going to write steps of construction here. You know how to write steps of construction now. So the first step is draw DE 5 centimeters. So in the steps of construction you have to write, draw a line segment DE of length 5 centimeters. So here is the DE of 5 centimeters. Now the next step is, we have to construct a 90 degree angle at point D, or we have to draw a line say DX which is perpendicular to DE, and we know how to construct a 90 degree angle. So we just have to construct a 90 degree angle here. So the step of constructions, we have to write, construct a 90 degree angle at D. So that angle, let's say it is X, this point is X here. So that angle XDE is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree. Now the next step is, we need DF to be 3 centimeters. So what we will do, with D as a center and radius as 3 centimeters, we will make an arc of 3 centimeters intersecting the DX at point F. Let's say here is the point F. Now DF is 3 centimeters. This is the requirement of the question. Now the last step will be join FE. So here we just have to join this FE. So we are done with the construction now. What was the first step of construction? The first step is, draw a line segment DE of 5 centimeters. And then the second step is, construct a 90 degree angle at D so that angle XDE is 90 degrees. Now the next step is, with D as a center, make an arc of radius 3 centimeters intersecting DX at point F. So here we got point F in the third step, and the fourth step is join FE. So we are ready with the triangle DEF, which is right angled at D, that is angle EDF is 90 degrees and DE is 5 centimeters and DF is 3 centimeters. So this is what we have to do in this question. Now let's move to the next question. Now the next question is, construct an isosceles triangle in which the length of each of its equal sides is 6.5 centimeters and angle between them is 110 degrees. So here what we need an isosceles triangle. So here let's take this side as 6.5 centimeters and here let's say this is PQ. So what we have done, we have drawn a line segment PQ of 6.5 centimeters and we need one more line segment of 6.5 centimeters and angle between them should be 110 degrees. So let's say this angle is 110 degrees and this is point R and PR is 6.5 centimeters. Now just join Q and R. So now here is the rough sketch of triangle PQR in which PR is equal to PQ and they are equal to 6.5 centimeters and angle between them is, that is angle QPR is 110 degrees. So now we have to construct this triangle. So what is the first step? The first step is, draw a line segment PQ of length 6.5 centimeters. This is the first step of construction. We have to write, draw a line segment PQ of length 6.5 centimeters. Now what should be the next step? The next step is Draw an angle. Now the next step is construct 110 degrees angle at point P. So here we have to construct 110 degrees angle. So it will be like this. We have to draw this angle using protractor. Using this protractor, we can draw the angle of 110 degrees at P. At this vertex P, we have to draw 110 degrees angle. So here, let's say this is 110 degrees angle. This angle is 110 degrees. So now the second steps of construction. So now the second step of construction will be at point P, make an angle of 110 degrees such that XPQ is 110 degrees. Now the next step is we need PR to be 6.5 centimeters. We need PR to be 6.5 centimeters. So what we have to do for that? With P as a center, that is, we have to keep the pointed end at P, pointed end of the compass at P we have to keep now, and we have to make an arc of radius 6.5 centimeters intersecting PX at R. So now PR is 6.5 centimeters. In the steps of construction, we will write with P as a center and radius 6.5 centimeters, make an arc intersecting PX at R. So here is the point R now. Now we are left with only one step, that is join RQ. So now we are ready with the isosceles triangle PQR, in which PQ is equal to PR and angle between them is 110 degrees. That is, angle RPQ here is 110 degrees. So we are done with the construction now. We have to write the steps of construction also, as we have discussed here. Now let's move to the next question. Now the question is, construct triangle ABC with BC as 7.5 centimeters, AC as 5 centimeters and measurement of angle C as 60 degrees. So let's draw a rough sketch. We need a triangle ABC. Let's say here is triangle ABC. BC is 7.5 centimeters and AC is 5 centimeters and angle C is 60 degrees. So now let's construct this triangle. So what is the first step? The first step is draw a line segment BC of 7.5 centimeters. So here is the line segment BC of length 7.5 centimeters. We have to write this in steps of construction also. The step will be draw a line segment BC of length 7.5 centimeters. Now after this, what we have to do? We have to construct a 60 degree angle at C. So here the next step will be construct a 60 degree angle at C such that XCB is 60 degrees. So like this we have to construct a 60 degree angle. Now what else we need? We need AC to be 5 centimeters. So what we have to do now? With C as a center, we have to make an arc of radius 5 centimeters intersecting CX at A, like this. So we have to make an arc like this now. And in the steps of construction, we have to write with C as a center and radius 5.5 centimeters. Now in the steps of construction, we will write with C as a center and radius 5 centimeters, make an arc intersecting the ray CX at point A. So now we got point A also, and AC has to be 5 centimeters. That is, this is 5 centimeters. This length of AC is 5 centimeters. Now we are left with only one step, that is join AB. In the steps of construction also we will write the same step, join AB. So now we are ready with the triangle ABC, in which BC is 7.5 centimeters, AC is 5 centimeters and angle between them, that is angle C, is 60 degrees. So till now we have studied how we can construct the angle in which all the three sides are given and two sides are given and angle between them is given. We have seen these two types of construction.